Mdex is losing its position and at present stands firm on the foothold of number 245 with a market cap of $211,013,439.36. It has a coursing supply of 866,292,381 Mdex coins. Since it is somewhat new, it is as yet not getting the market revenue as expected. Mdex is another decentralized exchanging convention. It was sent off in 2021 that works on the idea of asset pools, imparting a few likenesses to standard DEXs. It separates itself from contenders by utilizing a double-chain model. This is on both the Ethereum organization and the HECO, conceding it admittance to the liquidity of the Ethereum environment. It was helped to establish in 2017 by Nate Flanders and Anand Handa. It permits the client to trade any sets of resources through its pools utilizing its computerized market production framework. It likewise charges a 0.3% expense for that. Likewise, it gives awards in its foundation token. This is finished to draw in financial backers and brokers. What makes Mdex novel? Mdex convention has a few highlights making it stick out. It is quick and dependable. Contrasted with Ethereum, the expense is lower. All things considered, it isn't similar to a security coin with an enormous accentuation on unknown exchanges. A portion of the vital highlights of Mdex are robotized market creator. Mdex helps associations in building and sending off applications at rapid by giving a stage that upholds this cycle. The exchanges should be possible day in and day out utilizing the stage, in contrast to conventional trading. Gathering pledges. It is likewise utilized for gathering pledges. The Mdex stage works with the raising money process. Modest exchange expense. When contrasted in Ethereum, the Mdex convention does exchanges quicker and with low charges, subsequently giving clients a quicker, more and easy-to-understand stage in a fluid exchanging framework for a minimal price. Exchanging mining. This exchanging convention rewards clients for each exchange they make. These prizes assist with driving really exchanging movement, helping increment the liquidity and giving additional exchanging choices. Adaptability. Mdex can be changed over completely to different coins or straightforwardly switched over completely to cash. Double mining component. Working on dualized mining development guarantees exchanges and reliable liquidity. The idea of storing all finances increments exchanging exercises prompting an expansion in the mechanized market producer liquidity process. Mdex is contrasted in Uniswap. Uniswap is likewise like other cryptos with a decentralized engineering. Uniswap depends on Ethereum empowering clients to exchange tokens utilizing savvy contracts. The trading of this sort works with clients to trade the tokens without an outsider or some record keeping. Clients likewise give liquidity to such a market by weighty market support. What makes Mdex extraordinary is its programmed market producer include. They likewise plan to expand their client base by giving a superior client experience and adding various resources for the trade. They likewise plan to offer more easy-to-understand models and fortify their local area and direct its administration. As per the engineers' arrangements, the trade will turn into a center for changing resources, in any event, offering them from different chains. The supported liquidity of Mdex will end up being important while pushing ahead. The trade is supposed to coordinate more administrations, for example, choices contracts, monetary loaning, protection, prospects contracts, and other decentralized administrations. As more development happens, the possibilities of Mdex turning into a huge player in the crypto market is a distinct chance. We should investigate a portion of the business specialists' perspectives on Mdex cost conjecture. In the event that you are searching for virtual monetary standards with great returns, Mdex can be a terrible, high-risk one-year speculation choice according to our Mdex estimate. Mdex cost today rises to 23 cents, yet your ongoing venture might be debased from here on out. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the Mdex cost will be around 35 cents, a most extreme cost of 42 cents, a base cost of 31 cents for December 2022. The typical cost of Mdex for December 2022 is 37 cents. Mdex figure toward the finish of December 2022 35 cents. As per the Mdex figure, in 2022, the Mdex cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 28 cents. The normal least cost of Mdex toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be 27 cents. Additionally, the Mdex worth can arrive at the most exorbitant cost degree of 33 cents. According to our Mdex cost forecast 2022, the Mdex cost could hit 34 cents before the current year's over and 48 cents by 2026. In view of our cost conjecture, the Mdex worth could arrive at the most extreme value level of $2.21. The base value level may be around its essential obstruction level of $2. The ongoing cost of Mdex is exceptionally low from its high in February 2021. The unequaled exorbitant cost of $10.06 was arrived at in the span of 7 days with no obstruction. The volume cost activity is plainly noticeable in the MDX cost diagram. Anything caused the high unpredictability has lost it, and the suggested instability presently is genuinely steady in business sectors. For the last part of 2021, the cost of Mdex kept on moving sideways in a direct design. The general strength file hit oversold conditions in September and, for the present moment, the obstruction level is at $54 with the possibilities hitting that line expanding consistently. The sideways example might go on for quite a while. Yet the Mdex cost estimate framework says that this probably won't go on for since a long time ago there is a high chance of the cost of Mdex raising a ruckus around town levels in 2 months or less. From what we have noticed, the defeat from the highs of $10 didn't happen due to the immense cost auction. Assuming the gathered volume is still high, the underlying financial backers may as yet hold the Mdex cost as long as possible. There is no critical volume-based sign that the appropriation has happened. Thus, for now, any reasonable person would agree that there is no negative feeling in MDX as per our Mdex cost expectation. Mdex value expectation, 2022 to 2026. Utilizing RSI measurements, we believe that cost can go up to the cost of 50 cents up to the year 2026. This Mdex cost expectation for 2022 is hopeful as the undertaking improvement is probably going to start things off. However long the pattern go on in the positive bearing, it can possibly visit the 48 cents territory before the year 2026 according to our Mdex estimate. Mdex value forecast 2022. As per general data for the speculations, major and specialized examination ought to be finished if one intends to put resources into Mdex as long as possible. Subsequently, dealers ought to do their own exploration, examine the pattern in markets and take venture exhortation from their monetary guide prior to putting resources into Mdex for their future expectations information to procure a decent return. Mdex cost could reach 34 cents in the year 2022. Mdex value forecast 2023. The Mdex value forecast depends on boundaries. For example, long-haul trendline with informational collections backing and prescient displaying strategies. It is encouraged to remain refreshed with cryptographic forms of money news, different gauges, and unofficial laws. It is anticipated that the Mdex cost will reach 38 cents in the year 2023. Mdex value forecast 2024. According to the Mdex cost forecast, the cost of Mdex could reach 43 cents in the year 2024. Generally, financial backer feeling and digital currency economic situations will figure out what really occurs with Mdex before long. Mdex value expectation 2025. In light of the verifiable information in Mdex cost conjecture, a decent expansion in cost should have been visible. Mdex cost is supposed to be around 47 cents in the year 2025. Mdex value expectation 2026. As per the Mdex cost expectation, the cost of Mdex could cross 46 cents in the year 2026. With the assistance of appropriate review and past information, it will get to know regardless of whether to put resources into this coin.